Your next car could be the 2021 INFINITI QX50. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Relax and enjoy the ride in this elegantly appointed QX50. From its sumptuous interior to its suite of advanced safety and infotainment features, this spacious, peaceful SUV offers a world of premium comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, panoramic roof, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, satellite radio, remote engine start. Give your family the luxury they deserve in this exceptional QX50. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.